YouTube tips and tricks for channel growth. Welcome to the ultimate guide for YouTube tips and tricks that will boost your channel growth. Are you tired of seeing your subscriber count stagnate? Do you want to see those views skyrocket? Then buckle up, because we're about to dive into some actionable tips that you can start implementing today. Let's start with the basics: your channel's appearance. It's crucial to make a great first impression, so invest some time in creating a visually appealing channel banner and profile picture. Keep them consistent with your branding and content. This helps establish trust and build a loyal audience. Next, think about your channel's name and description. Choose a name that is catchy, memorable, and descriptive of the content you create. In your channel description, include relevant keywords and phrases to help viewers and YouTube's algorithm understand what your channel is all about. Now, let's talk about video titles. A compelling title is one that grabs attention and entices viewers to click. Make sure your titles are clear, descriptive, and include keywords relevant to your content. Avoid clickbait. It can lead to viewer disappointment and harm your channel's reputation. Thumbnail images are just as important as titles, if not more so. They're the first thing viewers see when browsing videos. Use high-quality, eye-catching images that accurately represent your video's content. Don't forget to add text overlays for extra context and appeal. One often overlooked aspect of YouTube's success is video organization. Create playlists to group your content into relevant categories. This makes it easier for viewers to find and binge watch your videos, increasing watch time and promoting channel growth. Consistency is key when it comes to uploading videos. Determine a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Consistent uploads show viewers that you're dedicated to your channel and help to establish a loyal fan base. Engagement is crucial for channel growth. Make sure to interact with your viewers by responding to comments, asking questions, and encouraging feedback. This not only fosters a sense of community but also gives you valuable insights into what your audience likes and dislikes. Speaking of engagement, don't underestimate the power of calls to action. Tell your viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your channel. This simple reminder can significantly increase audience interaction and retention. Collaborations can work wonders for your channel. Partner up with other creators who share similar interests and audiences. By doing so, you'll gain exposure to a whole new group of viewers, while also providing value to your existing audience. Now let's talk about optimizing your videos for search. YouTube's algorithm takes into account various factors, including video tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand your content and increase its visibility in search results. The video description is another valuable tool for optimization. Include a detailed, keyword-rich description to help both viewers and YouTube comprehend your video's content. Don't forget to add relevant links to your social media and other platforms. Subtitles and captions not only improve accessibility but also enhance your video's searchability. By transcribing your content, you cater to a wider audience and provide more opportunities for YouTube to pick up on your keywords. Social media promotion is essential for channel growth. Share your videos across multiple platforms to increase exposure and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Engage with your audience and join relevant communities to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Lastly, analyze your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to identify trends, track viewer demographics, and evaluate your content's success. This data will help you make informed decisions on what content to create and how to optimize it for maximum growth. Following these YouTube tips and tricks will set you on the path to channel growth and success. Remember, the key is to be consistent, engaging, and always looking for ways to improve your content. Happy YouTubing!